Wow, this is just a quickie. I'm in my 6-wheel drive Land Rover Ambulance here, and this side door where I keep some stuff, the seal in here is somehow failing and it keeps filling up with water. So sitting over there in the sun is some new stuff I got from Clark Rubber. So I'm going to rip all this stuff out and now get rid of the old stuff. We're going to scrub around the edge here, clean all this up and put some new stuff on. Now to do this, I've got some handy dandy Gritmitts soap. These guys have been kind enough to send me some free product in the past. This stuff is useful for all sorts of things. I'm going to soap up a bit on a rag here on the grit, and this will help scrub that whole door seal area. So let's go try that. Camera angles in here are going to be a little difficult because my camera mount is magnetic and this is a fiberglass body. It's already starting to come up pretty good. We'll keep at this for a little bit. We'll keep scrubbing away here and hopefully we'll get it all clean. Alright, everything's nice and clean now, and we can also tell that this vehicle had a paint colour change at some point, and this rubber seal was probably changed at the same time. So let's put this new seal on. I want this rubber seal to join at the bottom, whereas previously it joined at the side, and I think that was part of its leaking issue. This is where a soft face hammer would be handy.
Eventually.
Alright, we're mostly fitted, aside from having to bump a little bit back on there. I'm down to the trimming point, and I'm going to give it a couple of millimeters more so it pushes into the corners as it expands. Well, I just went to hack through this stuff with my Leatherman serrated blade, and while I thought I'd got the one that was all plastic, it still has a steel reinforcer in there, so that might be the end of that blade. Anyway, I'm going to cut it off with some cutters. Okay, so fun fact, this is all plastic. There are little clips in here, and I just happened to get exactly in the middle of one of them clips. Luckily it's fairly soft stuff, so it might not have destroyed my blade completely. Okay, so new rubber seal is in, and the gap is at the bottom, so anything that maybe gets in here or whatnot will flow hopefully out the bottom here and drip out under the door, I would hope. Next test is, does it shut? And it actually shuts better. I think I might be able to actually push that shut the way it was originally intended. So, brand new rubber door seal. We're doing well. See you in the next one.